Ignoring your solar panels can drain your wallet. Solar energy is the future, right? Clean, cheap power that helps save the planet. But what happens when you neglect those shiny panels on your roof? First, let's talk degradation. Over time, solar panels lose efficiency. Dust, dirt, and debris pile up, cutting their energy output. Studies show that unmaintained panels can lose up to 25% efficiency. That's like throwing money out the window. Now consider the warranty. Most solar panels come with a 25-year warranty, but if you don't maintain them, manufacturers might void that coverage. Suddenly, those expensive repairs fall entirely on you. Next revelation: unexpected repairs. If you ignore minor issues like cracks or loose connections, they can spiral into costly fixes. Repairs that could have been a simple cleaning turn into thousands of dollars. Let's not forget about resale value. Homes with solar panels can sell for more, but only if they're in good condition. A neglected system can scare off potential buyers. And here's a jaw dropper: you can actually create a fire hazard. Damaged panels can lead to electrical issues. That's not just risky for your home, it puts your family in danger. More context: regular maintenance costs a fraction of what repairs do. It's a no-brainer. And here comes the final blow. The hidden costs of ignoring your solar panels can easily pile up to tens of thousands over time. Keeping your solar panels in check isn't just smart, it's essential. Protect your investment, save your money, and keep your home safe. For more electrical and solar energy tips, subscribe to my YouTube channel.